Climb inside the 2011 Ford Mustang. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. First-rate materials inside deliver a more satisfying experience, while features such as leather-trimmed seats and the Sync communication system suggest luxury. Shaker audio is available in 500 and 1000-watt varieties, filling the cabin with earth-shaking sound. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.